Hello everyone, we are here today at MSN One Neopolis, the crown jewel of Hyderabad, where luxury meets elegance. As the 9 feet door opens, we walk into the impressive 12 feet floor to ceiling height. Welcome to the grand foyer. We now step into the family lounge and the entertainment area. From cozy family moments to lively gatherings, this space is designed to bring people together effortlessly. Next to the family lounge and the entertainment room, you have a powder room. And here's the surprising element. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind off. L-shaped living and dining area attached to a huge deck. We are now in the kitchen. There's a dry kitchen here, a wet kitchen here, attached to a utility and a bathroom space. Bar counter for your weekend. Cheers. Here's the most exciting element of this project. A huge deck area which overlooks the breathtaking Gachibowli Lake. Let me show you the master bedroom. Each bedroom is a personal retreat, featuring elegant interiors, walk-in wardrobes, luxurious bathrooms, and of course, private balcony access. It looks marvelous. We now step into the second deck area of this flat. This overlooks a huge 25,000 acres of green area. Room which is attached to a bathroom and has a walk-in closet. Every room comes with an attached balcony. Now we walk into the third bedroom, which has an attached bathroom and an attached balcony. Last but not the least, the fourth bedroom of the house.